in my office instead of the main internet. So now that it's working. Okay, so for this lecture, one of the things that you should do is go to the course website. If you go to the course website and you click on lectures, you'll see that I now have week 2 lecture posted on there. So there's a PowerPoint, set of PowerPoint slides that we'll be going through. There's also a link that says example data. So as I go through the PowerPoint slides, I'll be demonstrating basically what we're talking about. And if you want to follow along, you don't have to, but you can. It might be helpful for you. There's a link there to download some example data. I've already downloaded it and placed it on my computer. So I'm not going to do that, but it's a zip file. So you have to download it, and then you have to extract it and place it somewhere on your computer if you want to utilize it. Finally, there's another reading. So we had a reading last week. There's a reading this week. You might have noticed, I forgot to say this in class, but the reading last week was scanned by some software that tried to do some text recognition. So every once in a while, there's a piece of text. I'll just click on it and show you what I mean. You can see that should say analytical modeling in GIS. So that's an example of some text recognition that got messed up, but for the most part, you can read through it. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about here. I've already downloaded this, but I will demonstrate it real quick. So you click it, it downloads, and then you can just say open or show in folder, open a work. So you have it. But right now, just because it's open and you can see it, doesn't mean that you actually have those files. You have to take those files and copy them somewhere on your disk for them to work. So I'm gonna right-click, say copy, and put them somewhere. I'll just put them in C. I'll create a new folder called SA, and then I'll save. Actually, I'll create another new folder inside of that called week 2, so that if I ever have other data that you want to download, you can do that. Okay. All right. Now we'll. It's just a white block. You don't see the screen. Let me see if that has to do with the IVN system.
That's more, it looks like it's glaring off the screen, like light glare.
Okay, so this is what you're talking about. All you see is white black. Yeah. What about the other screen? Do you have another screen?
No.
Okay. Okay. Is there a? Okay. Hold on a second.